Hello all, welcome back to my tutorial videos, and in this video I am going to talk about MySQL joins. This is the second video of my video tutorials of MySQL. If you have not watched, go back to my channel and then select MySQL tutorials and watch my MySQL tutorial 1 video and come back to this video for the continuation of the previous video. So in this video, in the previous video, we have discussed starting from MySQL till aliases, and in this video, I am going to talk about the rest of the topics. I am using my w3schools.com as a base for going through the MySQL tutorial. You can use any of the sources, but my recommendation is to go through these videos and also go through w3schools.com and click on MySQL to go to the tutorials and gain the beginner knowledge of this particular topic, that is MySQL. And this tutorial is aimed for full stack developers, either Java, PHP, or Python, or any other language where you want to learn about MySQL and want to use this in your program to actually work with the MySQL. So in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about joins and okay. And there are several types of joins, right? In inner join, left join, right join, cross join, and self join. So join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on the related column, related column between them. Okay. So for example, there are orders table here, which has a order table and a customer ID. Similarly, we have customers table, okay, which has a customer ID. So customer ID is related, okay. So we can use the records of all the customers orders, okay, based on order ID, based on orders given, okay. This table will give all the orders given by customers with the order ID. So what we are doing is we are actually doing that inner join, right, with the orders. So we will talk about joins, inner joins, all, okay, in subsequent sections. But it has given all the records of orders which are given by customers. Okay, this is the, we'll discuss more about rest of the topics. So there are there are as I mentioned, inner join, left join, right join, and cross join. In inner join, it is the combination of both, right? It is the intersection, okay, of two tables. And the left join is the all the records of table 1 that are matched from the table 2. Records of table 1 that are matched with the table 2. And in right join, records of table 2 that are matched in table 1. So all the combinations you will not get, only few records you will get which are matched in the respective tables. If you add a cross join, then you will get all the records of both the tables which are matching based on the condition. Okay, so let us deep dive into each and every join. So the syntax is, let us select column names from table, that is the first table, and then inner join table 2. Table 2 is the on which column, which condition, right? So we will actually select the particular records from both that which is actually based on particular column, particular condition, okay. For example, 2, 37, 77 records, and here 1, 2. Then we will, if we add the inner join, then we will get this first record which is actually common, okay, in this table. So if you test it in our larger, okay, right? We are getting all the records of order id and customer name, where the orders are created, okay, and which will orders are created, so that means it will ignore all the fields which are orders are not created, okay. That means we are getting all the records of orders, okay, with the orders created. So people, customers who have not created the orders, we will not get data from this one. So that is the logic behind this, okay. It's a common, okay. So you can also join three columns, okay, I mean three tables, okay. So we are actually getting all the orders which are shipped or which has a shipping ID. Order is there, some columns might be not shipped. That means shipped order ID is not created. So all the orders which customers created the orders as well as a shipping is created. So with this actually a second inner join, you can actually get the respective details. So now let us deep dive into the left join with more. Okay, we have already, in the join we have used the, the left join. Okay, left join orders and order by customer. We can use these orders also. So what we are going to get, all the customers whose orders are created, okay, and then we are actually incrementing the order by customers dot customer name, okay. We are making that in a incremental order, okay. So that is the condition. Come back and then test it and then see the values for your, understanding and experiment. So right Jan, you will use select column name from table 1, right join on table 1 column, table 2 column. So that is how it is. So right join means we are going to get all the employee names, okay, of where orders are created. You see right join, and we are giving the customer names whose orders are created. Okay, so we are only get the tables of, so orders are created by these people, okay. We can get all the details of the second table where orders are created. If orders are not created, you will not get the records here. That is the right join. And then we want both, but all the records of all the records of both, okay. We want only the customers whose orders are created, okay. So whose orders are created, right. So that is what we are going to get that records, okay. So we are going to discuss about the next topic, which is cross join. We discussed the cross join. So now we got all the records of both the tables, okay. I mean left column, left columns of left table and columns of right table in cross join, okay. Now we are going to use it self join. Self join means we say that select column names and from table 1, table 2 and condition. So in this we can actually get, you know columns, all the columns based on the condition, okay. So here select a, so we are, as we discussed, there is an alias of a and alias of b, and we are going to get the respective columns as alias, and then from these two tables, customers A and customers B, where customer ID not equal to customer ID and city and order by city, okay. So that is a self join. Union operator is used to combine the result set up to or more select statements. So what will happen? It will combine select city from customers, union select city from suppliers, order by city. So we will combine that, right? All those cities, are combined here. Both cities are combined. So we get all the cities of customers and suppliers. So it will actually display duplicate values also. So you can also use a condition in where clause. Okay, right? You can also use a condition in a where clause, and you can get the corresponding records. Let us do one example. Type, contact name, city, country, union, select supplier, contact name, city, country. You see, these are matched in below supplier. Okay, these are matched as a records. So MySQL group by statement, right? Group by statement groups rows that have same values. In summary rows like find the number customers in each country, right? A group by statement often used with the average function to group that. Okay, so select from where group by order by. Okay, we can use this as the so we want to have we want to have select count of group by, and that means each country we want count. You see how many people are there for each country. 11 people France, 11 people Germany, like that. Okay, and you can use order by. So count of customer ID, order by the count of customer ID. So we want order by the count of customer ID in descending order. Okay, highest number of customers are USA. Like that you can actually get it. Okay. So come back and experiment. You will get. Okay. So you can also use group by in the left join. So you when you joined and then you group by, you will get only that shipper name of that particular records. Having class was added to SQL because where keyword cannot be used with aggregate functions. So let us see the example. So that means these aggregate functions you cannot use them in where. So you can use them in having. Okay, where count of customer ID greater than 5. So we are only printing them, displaying them where customer count greater than. So instead of where you need to use aggregate for the having for the aggregate functions. So inner join group by having count of. So and exists operator. Exists means to test exists of any record in the subquery. Okay, for example, select from where exists. If that particular value presents, then display. Okay, right. So select suppliers from suppliers where exists of select product name, where the supplier ID and price less than. If this record exists, then I want only to display those suppliers whose price is less than 20. If that is exists, then you display. Okay, who are supplying the products which with the price less than 20. Okay, so you can use that. Come back and then practice this. Any and all returns boolean value for any. If any means if it is there, which is there from table, and operator any which is inside any of these. Okay, column name and less than any. Okay, greater than equal to any, less than equal to, you can use any of the operator. Okay, which is actually available. Okay, and it will give a respective value. Product ID is any. Okay, that means which is available inside in this product ID, then it will display with the quantity 10. So these are the parameters. So we are displaying the products where the product ID from hardware quantity is 10. So we are displaying of all those which are of quantity 10. Similarly, select all product name products where true. All product ID is all, right? So let us actually do what we are going to get for each one. Okay, for example, let us check only this condition. How many? Select product ID from order details where quantity greater than 1000. So we don't have any records, right? So there are no records. Let us check this one. How many records are there here? 99. 23 records. Okay, now let us actually check this query again. So we are checking, displaying the products which are product ID in any of these which the condition is true. You can come back and then experiment. Okay, so you will be able to understand it. Okay. I am going to the next one. Insert into and select. That means we are selecting and then inserting. Okay, so that is we are selecting all the data from suppliers and then we are inserting into the query. So it is a, we select and then insert, we select and insert. Okay, so all these records which are pasted and will be inserted into that particular table. So that is about insert and select. And MySQL case statement. So case and where condition 1 then result 1. It is like a switch in our programming language, right? So when case when condition 1, case when condition 2, case condition 3, like that we can implement this. So select order ID case when quantity greater than the quantity is greater than 30, when quantity then else, end as quantity text. This is the end statement from the order details table. Let us actually display, test this one. You see, based on this condition, this corresponding value is displayed. Okay, right, for all the orders. from order details. Okay, you just need to practice to familiarize how to use this case statement. Is null and coalesce functions. Okay, is null is used to check whether the, if it is null then it will return 0 instead of null, right? It will, is null function lets you return an alternate value if expression is null. Okay, so when use coalesce function like this, okay, coalesce, so it will return the corresponding value when that is null, 0. If it returns 0, if it is doesn't have any value. When it is a mathematical function, you can use it to in the mathematical functions to not to get into a junk value. So comments you can use hyphen hyphen in your large program, or slash star and then end with slash star slash. Okay, operators we have already discussed: add, subtract, multiply, division, and then bitwise, ampersand, and comparison, equal to, greater than, less than. All and any, between, exists, in, like, not. So we all discussed all this. So come back and then you click on try it and then test each and every command and then understand. Okay, understand the commands and practice as much as possible. If you need detailed sessions, you can come back to me and write in the comments. We will write to me. We'll have a separate one-on-one discussion. And I want to explain about one offer I'm currently running, that is internship opportunity at MySQL IT Services Private Limited, a registered company, which we are providing 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 1 year internship, which is actually you'll have to pay the fees to get it. I will provide the guidance on working on the real-time projects which we have adrev.com, softrev.com. Adrev.com is a classified portal which lists the worldwide cities, and which also we also work with the top affiliate merchants to promote affiliate marketing. Also softrev.com, where we promote software listing sites, and developers worldwide can actually submit their products and then to download and then sell their products. We also work with the top worldwide affiliate merchants to promote the products also. We have a couponsnagar.com where we have an affiliation with worldwide brands, and we promote them okay, with their products. Okay, so in affiliate marketing, we have India-based couponsnagar.com, and we are planning to start netchess.biz and netrunme as a project. You can work on other game projects, and we have C++ projects. If you want to get hands on C++, you can ping me. Or if you want to develop Java desktop application games, in this I am going to give guidance to you how to start developing the Java desktop applications also. So if you are interested, you can send mail to submit@mysys.com, or connect me in LinkedIn as a VMR, and then ping me the message so that we can discuss on the internship opportunity. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and we will connect you in the next videos on